Good morning, everyone. As you know, that this year's library theme is our own backyard, where we're going to take a look at books and artists and writers and politicians and issues that are from and relevant to our local community. And today we're going to use that theme in order to go searching through a particular middle school library database to discover some local authors that we might not have known about. So today, again, we're going to be looking at the ProQuest eLibrary database, and we're going to be learning how to use search terms to find information. So if you look at the library database, there's this blank white box, and in this box, you're going to be writing search terms that might help you find some local authors. And we're going to talk today about how we might go about doing that. And our third goal is to actually discover some of these local authors. Okay, so let's make a plan. Before we start with filling in that white box, let's think of some search terms or keywords that actually might help us find and discover writers in this database. So take a minute to discuss with your partner and write down a quick little list of words that you might use. I want you to pause the screen for a minute or two while you do this. Okay, so click pause, okay, and then write them down. Okay, hopefully you have a list of search words that you are going to try and put in the ProQuest database search box. Here are some words that we came up with: local, South Pasadena, and writers. So I'm going to try that. I'm going to put those terms into our search box. Let's try local writers. And click. Okay, here we have local writers in Ireland. Here is a local writer in another community. I don't think any of these have anything to do with Pasadena. I think this term local is not helpful. I think there's too many places where it could be local. I think we need to shrink our idea down to South Pasadena writers. Let's try that. Okay, let's look. We got 11,000 results. That's a lot of results. And let's see if any of them are what we want. South Pasadena writer's strike. That's not going to help us learn a local author. South Pasadena's town square, that has South Pasadena in it, but it doesn't have writers. South Pasadena girls water polo. I can already tell that this is not going to give us the results we need. So what happened here? We got too many search results, and we didn't get any relevant or helpful results, and we're a little confused. And I want to let you know that that is often something that happens when you first start searching, and it is okay to be a little frustrated and confused at first. But we can use some strategies to adjust our search terms. So we already used one where we narrowed our term local was too big of an idea, so we've narrowed it to South Pasadena. But I'm actually going to try to make South Pasadena a bit bigger. I'm going to go from South Pasadena to Pasadena because I think that then we might get more writers. The next strategy we could use for a search term is to try synonyms. So the term writer wasn't giving us too many things, or maybe too many. So I'm going to actually try the term author. Okay, here goes. Okay, let's start a new search. Okay, so we're going to try our new search term, Pasadena authors. And right away, it's still a huge number of results, but look at our first result. We find a Pasadena author. and we found her name, which is Kristen Kitcher, and she writes mystery novels for kids. How fun! I wonder if we could go back to our results by clicking back. And here we have a Pasadena author writing a mystery novel and another Pasadena writer writing about Pasadena. So it looks like Pasadena authors might have been a better set of search terms. So, thinking about which search strategy worked for you and your partner. Did narrowing work, broadening the terms, or using synonyms? Take a minute, pause, and talk about it. Okay. In the future, I would like you to keep looking for writers and artists in our backyard. And let's say we wanted to make a plan for finding local artists. I want you to think about what search terms could you use to find artists. And then with your partner, you're going to narrow and then broaden those terms. And then finally, I want you to think of some synonyms that you could use. So happy searching.